Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dylan Mills, and this is my partner in crime, Adam Sandler.
My name is Adam Sandler.
Today, we're looking for the elusive hog. You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? I think we just got ourselves a hog. Let's go find it. The thing with hogs, you gotta get on top of them and ride them like a hog. Now what you gotta do is you gotta snap the neck with your hips. So you gotta get it.
Then the best thing to do is power drive it.
Die right in time. You might want to turn the camera off. This is gonna get dirty. Get over here.
I'm not even a pig! You guys